Hey guys, this is Mr. Grice for Algebra 2, Chapter 2.1 through 2.3 review. Now, I'm only going to be going over 2 of the slides that we went through today because the rest of the video is the exact same from last year, so that's already up. Now, what we didn't talk about last year were problems like number 1, okay? We have m to the 3x times m to the 5x. Now, the rule states that if the exponents are the same, and it shows that you're multiplying, you add them together. Okay, so what our answer for this would be, your base stays the same, and you add the 3x and the 5x, because they are the same, we have 8x. Okay? Alright, let's look at B. For B, we want to start simplifying things first. So at the bottom, we can combine those, and we have 3 to the 5th, because 2 plus 3 gives us 5. Now, who wins, the top or the bottom? Okay, well, the top wins, and the top wins by 4. Okay, and now we're not done with this because we actually know what 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 is. Okay, when you work that all out, you end up getting 81. Okay, like, how did Mr. Grice get that? Well, 3 times 3 is 9, 3 times 3 is 9, and 9 times 9 gives us 81. Okay? Now for C, we have, oh, that's kind of hard to read, so I'm just going to rewrite it. N 8y over n 12y. We want to look at the exponents because the base is the same, so let's look at the exponents. Who wins, the top or the bottom? Okay, well, the bottom wins, and the bottom wins by 4. So we have n 4y, but then on the top there's just nothing. Okay, we have to put a 1 because everything else on the top crossed off. Okay, now problems 2, 3, and 4, all of those are the same as the previous video. Number 5 was different because I forgot to put that exponent on the outside. So let's go ahead and go through this again. What you want to do is try to reduce the inside, simplify, clean it up before we distribute. That way you're not distributing as many things, okay? So if your exponent's negative, drop it like it's hot. If it's already on the bottom, we have to bring it to the top, okay? So what this is really saying is negative 3 x to the 4th. We have that 1y. We just brought up 4 y's, all divided by x squared. Okay? Now, let's look at the x's. Who wins, the top or the bottom? Okay, the top wins, and the top wins by 2. And then remember that that y, there's technically 1 there. So how many y's do we have? We have 5. Okay, and now we have that 3. We want to distribute that to everything, so I'm going to draw my little lines. And what this means is that we have negative 3 to the 3rd power, x to the 6th, because we have to multiply those. And to get to our final step, I need to know what negative 3 times negative 3 times negative 3 is. Okay? When you do all of that, you should get negative 27 x to the 6th, y to the 15th. Okay? Now for any problems that you have on the Chapter 2.1 to 2.3 review, please make sure to watch the other video. Otherwise, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching.